Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view how much time you've spent on your phone and your apps on iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view how much time you've spent on your phone and your apps on iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your settings. And once you've opened your settings, next, I want you to scroll down and then you will be able to see this screen time option right here. Just go and tap it. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the screen time you have spent on your phone, including the week average and the daily time spent right here. But if you also want to see the time you have spent on each apps on your phone, just go and tap this. And then there it is guys. You will now see the time you have spent on each of the apps on your phone right here. This will help you monitor and manage how much you are spending on your phone daily. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.